Meaning of fortissimo.
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 Fortissimo. Fortissimo is a musical term that means to play very loudly and forcefully. It is an instruction for the performer to increase the volume of their music dramatically, usually indicated by the letter FF in sheet music. The effect of fortissimo is to create a powerful and dynamic sound, adding intensity and excitement to a piece of music. The sudden shift from a quieter sound to fortissimo can also create a dramatic contrast, adding emotional depth to the music and drawing the listener's attention to key moments in the composition.